Hello, everyone. Scott here. I just want to go over something real quick with you. If you're watching this on YouTube, smash the subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video from me again. If you're watching this on Facebook, on my Facebook wall, which is my profile, smash the heart. If you're watching this on a replay, put hashtag replay. If you're watching it live, hashtag live, please. If you're watching this in my Facebook group, I'm expecting you to watch this because you're in my instant cash flow Facebook group. So those who are not, just got to get, we let you use my Facebook group to leverage your time, meaning I do an instant cash flow system. I'm going to show you that, but I'm going to show you what's been working for me for the past almost year now, consistently, even when I haven't been here. So what I'm going to do here, and I have not been around, what I like to do is I start my day. I do the hour a day like I'm told to do by my mentors in the past. And you have to just do the same thing. If you do an hour a day and you're involved in your business and you send eyeballs and you follow the way I do it, you're going to win. I've been here since 2016. After lunchtime, I'm basically mobile all day. I can go anywhere, do anything I want. So I just got an email yesterday because I hit a landmark, a milestone, not a landmark, hit a milestone in this company that if you look scrolling before, the link's in the description if this is on YouTube. If this is on Facebook, you just follow the instructions in the description there, and we'll get you that link so you can call my team so they can answer all your questions so you can get instant $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions with the zero out-of-pocket option. So without further ado, I'm going to present my screen. I want to show you this email we got from OCM yesterday, which is the deal here that pays these big commissions. And I want to show you the email because like I said, I hit a milestone, okay? I joined the 50K club. Okay, folks. So that's me there. This is me. That's actually right behind over here. This is my area where I hang out. A lot of snow out here now. But as you can see, I'm not going to go, but they were congratulating me on the 50K club. And I'm going to show you what you're seeing here. New technology. Yes, this is coming to a Facebook group near you. And that's going to be my instant cash flow Facebook group that you can use this for any business. But if you really want to get in the training, you just got to get activated. And while I'm doing this, I am reactivating just for this weekend, President's Day weekend. This is going to go through Monday night, my one level bump. So if you start at and as you can see, it works here, folks. I mean, as you can see, it works. We can zoom in a little bit. That's me. Congratulations, Scott Doran on 50K. Now that was quite a bit ago. I am probably approaching about 75, 80 now, and I'm going to hit my 100 grand soon. And I'm teaching this in my Facebook group starting February 27th. But you only need an hour a day to do this, folks. So right here is he's heart lifted. Officially becoming a member of the esteemed 50K club. Very nice. This is consistent as it gets. It worked during tough times for me, and now I'm going to help you leverage me to do the same thing I've been doing. How's that sound? And guess what, folks? And I know you're going to say, Scott, I don't want to do videos. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do videos. I don't want to do that. But TikTok free traffic training, this is faceless. Just so you know, it's a hack. It's coming soon, okay? It's very easy. From what you can see, no other TikTok training. And I have a funny feeling this is a game changer. So in the next 14 days, this is going to launch when my training starts, but you could probably be into profit before that, right, folks? You could probably be into profit for that because why? Because when you start running traffic to something that, let me stop my share now. If you send traffic to something that works for you 24/7, just like they do for me, like the $800 they closed yesterday, and then I had $200 front end commissions. Come on, folks. You want to get into my Facebook group. You want to call my team today. The number's going in not the number, but everything's right here below. Follow the instructions there. I'll see you at the finish line. I'll see you in my Facebook group. Have a great Saturday afternoon and evening. Let's get that money on, folks. I'll see you soon. Have a great weekend, and we'll be in touch. Bye for now.